Oh, come on.
Wow, guys, did you know 100 equals 100?
I'm not going to take it like so.
100 peaceful. You got them.
Alright, so you think you know how to subtract? Yes. Yes. Alright, let's find out. Rule. Change. Subtraction. To addition. So, A minus B becomes what? N.
A plus A.
Alright, so what you're doing when you change your subtraction to addition, you change the following term from either positive to negative or negative to positive. Everybody understand? Really? Okay. What is that? Glenn?
A plus B.
Change this to plus, that means this sign must change.
Alright.
Good so far? How about the opposite of A minus B? Steph.
You add
Okay? Yep.
it'd be negative A plus negative B.
Negative A plus negative B. You change, remember what the rule states. You change this, it changes the value of what follows it. It has no bearing on this. This just stays the same. Okay? Alright, let's just find out how good you are. 13 minus negative 5, now that we've gone through this. 13 minus negative 5. No.
It's 13 plus 5.
13 plus 5, we change that to a plus, that changes this to a plus. So what is that, Sophie? Who said that? Did you say that? No, it didn't sound like it was you. Alright, example 2. Negative 3.6 minus 22.2. I really don't know your name there. I have to get over it. Julian, tell me what to do.
You change 22 to negative 22.
So this becomes a plus, this becomes negative 22.2, and you get what?
25.8. Negative 25.
There you go, negative 25.8. Okay, the reason that we're changing this is because of what we did yesterday. That's why they have these separate in your lessons. When you add, if you struggle with integers, you can use a number line and figure it out. But when you use a number line, it's easier if everything's addition. Also, don't think about this as being something silly. It will help you in later sections and later chapters from making some really simple errors. Okay, I'm not in here thinking that I have to reteach a whole bunch of stuff to you guys. That's not what this class is. You guys are really smart. I'm here to try to keep you from making some really silly errors. Okay? You can learn all the difficult stuff I'm going to teach you. What I want you to do is focus on trying to not drop a sign or some other mistake that is usually made by students. Okay? So don't think of this as something that's not useful. 1/2 minus 5/6. What do we do? What do you want to do? Nate?
You want to do 1/2 plus negative 5/6.
And then what?
And you want to turn 1 and 1/2 into an improper fraction.
It's only 1/2, not 1/1/2.
So I want you to change the denominator and make it the same.
Yes, they're both 6, so how do I change that? Good. And you get 3 plus a negative 5 over 6, Sophie, finish it. -1/3 is the answer. We got it. Beat it down. All right, good, excellent. We're almost done. You guys are flying right along. Okay. Substitute. X equals 7.1. Y equals -2.5. Example 4. X minus -y. Have at it. Interesting. X is 7.1 minus a -2.5. What do you think first? Yeah.
The two negative signs cancel each other out.
Yep. Then what do you get? That. Okay, so if you change that, it still becomes negative. What's your answer?
4.6.
Yeah, positive 4.6. Many of you did not get that. So look at it up there, see what you're doing wrong, change it. Yes?
I did x minus negative y parentheses, and I changed the opposite. I made it x plus y, and then I just put it in the numbers. Will that all?
Same thing, that's great. You can change it before you substitute. Example 5. Negative y minus x. How come you guys don't give me apples on my desk or candy or stuff like that? I'm out of class and stuff.
Oyster.
Yeah, we do tons of stuff. We brought me a Coke today.
I want a Coke.
Hey, I'll bring you something tomorrow.
Maybe Monday. I'll bring you a cake.
First of all, I was kidding.
Yeah, I probably won't be able to tomorrow if you catch my drift.
I'll be sarcastic.
There's a substitution. Minus a negative is a positive. I'm going to make that a plus. Changes the positive 7.1 to a negative. Again, like yesterday, in addition, if the signs are different, you take the difference. What's your answer?
-4.6.
Very good. Awesome. And let's do example 6 right here. Example 6 is the absolute value of negative y minus x. Now I'm gonna get some of you on this one.
Oh.
You got 30 seconds. Must work faster. I want you to be smarter than me because I'm not that smart.
Oh, well.
If you're not that smart, why are you teaching us?
Well, I'm
Because
hoping
he
you
has
guys
common
can make me
sense.
smarter. I need somebody to correct my mistakes.
Oh, I got some smartness.
Are you done?
Did you know?
What's the answer?
I think it's 9.6.
Ben, what'd you get?
4.6.
Glenn? Josh?
4.6.
I got 4.6.
Taylor?
4.6. I got 4.6.
All I did was like change.
Well, you're all gonna look stupid if Luke's right.
Oh,
Yes!
yeah, he is.
I said it.
Oh.
Alright. If you thought that the absolute value changes all these to positive, that would be the incorrect thing to do.
Yes.
You must, these are grouping symbols, which means before you can apply what they mean, you must do what's inside first. So, this becomes positive 2.5, that becomes plus negative 7.1. That's what we set up here, negative 4.6. The absolute value of negative 4.6 is...
I didn't have to work it. I didn't have to work it out.
Alright, well, here's my smartness that I know.
Assignment.
You don't have any, Lucas. I found one on the bottom of a Snapple cap. It said,
Page 83.
you guys are heavy.
4 to 38. Even. 42, 44, and the mixture view.
Wait, I want to know.
Alright. Did you know that Ben